Hi, and welcome to Card Shop at Argenta. I'm Julie with the Argenta Branch Library, and we're part of the Lehman Library System here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Card Shop is a program that we offer virtually, and we're happy to have you join us by calling the Argenta Branch Library at 501-687-1061 to reserve yourself a card kit to follow along with our videos. Be sure to watch our videos on social media, YouTube, Facebook. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that libraries are more than just books. And now I'm going to turn it over to Kerstin and enjoy today's video.
Thank you, Julie. Hi, everyone. I'm Kerstin. I'm excited to host Card Shop at Argenta. And I'm excited to also teach you today how to make a spanner panel card. It's a unique fun fold card that works for so many occasions. An interesting feature of this card is how the front panel opens. I created a bridge using a piece of window sheet, also called acetate, that allows you to view the greeting from the front of the card. Lift the center of the panel and the inside of the card is revealed. This hidden layer is perfect for an additional stamped message or a handwritten note. So let's get started. Okay, we take out our green or mint green cardstock, and that's going to be our card base, and we're going to fold it landscape. Use your bone folder or your library card, credit card to make a nice crease in the middle of your card. Next, lay your card on your cutting board and position it on the 1 1/4 line. And I kind of did this for you guys. So push your card right over here, and on your cutting board, you will see the 1 1/4 line. Take your ruler and your pencil and draw a pencil line. And don't be afraid to do that, because I'll show you that you will not see this pencil line. I promise you that. Draw from the top of the card to the bottom and make a little pencil line right there. Next, flip your card over so you can see it best. To the 1 1/4 line. Again, on the other side, also top to bottom, draw a pencil line. So it should look like this. Next, take your pair of scissors and just cut a straight line off from the bottom to the top. Make sure that you do not go over the creased line. That is your stopping point when you cut. Again, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Stop at the creased line so that you have 2 panels on the side and then your middle piece. And to assemble this card, we are just simply going to unfold it. We are going to take our pieces and decorate the front panels first. And we're going to decorate the middle panel. And I'm going to use a little bit of glue here to just kind of stick this on there really quick to make you see how cute this actually is. So one panel and the second panel and your third panel. And that's pretty much decorates it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put the message piece and the bridge. So open up your card again. And I already started to do this. I went and put a piece of double-sided tape, which I am going to use to put my bridge on. So you see, I hope you can see it. This is your piece of window sheet. It's about 1 inch wide, and we are going to place this on top of our double-sided tape, and this creates our bridge. And I hope you can see this. So next comes our message piece. And the message piece, we want to make sure that it is going strictly underneath our window sheet. So we're just going to go ahead and slightly pull it up, glue it right on this. And since I'm using liquid glue, if it's not quite, I can still move it up, and here you go. There is our piece. And next, we're going to decorate our one panel off to the side a little bit with a flower, and I kind of decorated it with a nice piece of pearl. And now we're going to open it back up, and I like to go ahead and show you how to also decorate the inside of the cards. In your card kit, you also have a white piece of cardstock, and again, another piece of panel, which is just cardstock and black cardstock and pattern paper, and you just go ahead and adhere it to your white card on one side, and I'll have another one, and we'll go ahead and put this one on the other side. And in between here is where your handwritten message or your message piece, whatever you like, put in there. And this is your spanner panel card. Our next project is going to be all about beach again. And this one here is a simple card I have come up with using foam stickers. So for this card, again, you are using white cardstock, and in your kit you also have a brown embossed piece, what looks like a little piece of wood, and you're just going to go ahead and glue that on top of your card base. And then I have already put this one here together, and I put birthday wishes, and I made like a little window with a palm in it, and you have all of these pieces in your card kit, and I'm just kind of like plate with it and just put it crooked on this, and that's the finished card. Our next one is all about ocean again, and in your card kit you will have blue cardstock, and you also have a piece of cardstock which looks like kind of like an underwater theme. I really like this. It's kind of like the sun is shining in the water. And next, you will put your message piece, which I have I pattern it with blue cardstock, white cardstock, and my message is seize the day, and I use some whales on top of it. Then I put some little seahorses on top of it, and last but not least, a little crab. And I'm advising you, when you have a card like this, make sure you dry lay it before you start gluing it. On the other hand, what I like to also show you at this point is that we never really talk about the inside of the card. And for these cards, I have just thought, well, instead of just putting the message, we could also decorate the inside of the card. So for this one, I used another piece of pattern paper, went ahead and put like a white piece of cardstock on it, and just put a little shark foam piece on it. And you can go ahead and put a message here, or a greeting over here, but it'll give it like a little extra touch, I thought. And then our last card is not just simply a pattern card or a layered card, multi-layered card, and it's simple. We are going to have a white piece of cardstock, purple piece of cardstock, and pattern paper, and we are going to put a simple message on it. Our friendship is timeless. And just like the other ones I have done, I have also decorated this card with something like this for the inside, so it just doesn't look all so plain. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed these projects. We love to hear your feedback because it's important to us. Also, please like, comment, and share this post. We'll see you again next month. Have a great day.